Hi everybody. One more thing I wanted to show you, our last video of the year. Do you remember our plant experiments from a few months ago? I wanted to show you how they came out, okay? Do you remember the seeds that we planted in paper towels? Look at this plant. Isn't this something? I've been wanting to plant it outside, but we just till recently we're still having cold nights, so I haven't done it yet. But I wanted to show you how big it got, okay? And I also wanted to show you there's beans growing on it. Look how big those are. It's growing beans. There's a couple other places where there are beans. I can't spot them right now, but those are the biggest ones. Right here and right there. So we answered our question. Yes, seeds can grow without dirt. But here's the one we planted in the dirt. It also got really huge and long. In fact, when I have it sitting by the window, I have it kind of hanging up on something because it bent over. Now what I observed, because we like to observe things in science, that yes, things grew without dirt, but the ones in the dirt seem a lot healthier. The leaves are a lot bigger, they're a lot greener. So yes, I think the dirt does help. This one has some beans growing on it too. Before you know it, we can have all kinds of beans back in our bean table in our classroom. Here's another bean right there. So we have, oh, there's one. Let me turn it around. You can see this one. There's a bean growing in there. The leaf is covering it up. There you go. So yeah, we'll have a nice bean supper before summer is out. Then there was one more plant experiment that we did. Do you remember we put a pine cone in water and we waited to see what would happen? Well, take a look. Look at how much it's growing. It's still all in that pine cone, and now we've got 5 leaves on it, and some of the leaves you can see are really big. So it doesn't look like a pine tree though, does it? I don't know what it is growing there. Something's growing, but a pine tree, you wouldn't expect to see the leaves like this. So I just wanted to update you one more time on our plant experiments and our seed experiments. Maybe once it ever stops raining, maybe you can go outside and plant some seeds or some plants too and see what you can grow this summer. Okay, and hey, if you do grow something exciting, be sure to send me a picture or video. I'd love to see it, okay? All right, bye everyone.